Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, I'm going to take a look at Euro Yen. This was one of the charts of interest from the comment section on the YouTube channel. So just want to cover what's going on through here. Now, I like the idea of actually buying Euro Yen, and the reason being is the fact that the market is in a slight uptrend. So we're getting higher highs and higher lows. So I'm expecting potentially the market to come and retest this previous swing high through here. Now what I like to see is these nice progressive daily higher highs, and we can see this candle in particular has broken through this previous high. We have to ignore what this candle looks like at the moment because it hasn't finished yet, hasn't closed yet. Still got another 6 or 7 hours to go before we get that close. So what we can do is go to that 4-hour time frame and look for areas of support and resistance, and we can see that price is approaching another previous structure high. So if I look here, you can see the market has formed a new high. So what I would be looking for is a pullback continuation trade off of previous structure points. So if I just delete this line out of the way, what I'm going to do is place a box on top of that high to the candlestick closes just through here, and then what I'm going to do is dive into a 15-minute time frame for a potential entry. So bringing in my averages as well, we can see that the 50 and the 200 moving average nicely in line. The 4 hours pulling back, and when the 4 hour pulls back, we get the market forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, as you can see, the market's getting lower. Okay, so that suggests that we need to wait now for a potential bullish move. So what I like to do is wait for price to come back into the key supporting level. So we'll just get rid of these lines a second. Now price is at the supporting level, I want to wait for a couple of conditions. And the first condition is my RSI in an oversold condition. Yes, it is. So now I need to wait for what I like to see is called a change in cycle. And that can happen in one or two ways. That can be a double bottom pattern to the upside. It can be a higher low. And it could also be a inverse head and shoulders pattern at this point. So what I'm going to be looking for is potential long opportunities if we get one of these patterns. Now, if we don't get one of these patterns and the market starts pushing to the downside and we start trending lower, then we're not going to be interested in the position because it doesn't line up with our bias at the moment, which is a potential long opportunity on Euro Yen. Okay, so everything to me is saying a little bit of upside, with the fact that Euro is quite strong at the moment. If I look at the daily time frame, the fact that the daily closed bullish yesterday makes me feel like price is going to continue to do that today. The 4-hour time frame is in an uptrend, approaching this key supporting level. All I need to see now is the 15-minute start to change cycle and get back into that uptrend, and when I see that, then we can look for those long opportunities. Okay, so keep an eye on some potential bullish reaction here on Euro Yen. I feel like we could get a potential long opportunity. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next